Quick outfit of the day. I'm going to be wearing high-waisted shorts, they're navy, and a beige kind of see-through shirt, white infinity scarves, white stockings, and bands. So yeah, there it is. Just got done with my hair, and I can't leave yet because my mom's walking my car, and I'm about to pick up Nina, so yeah. Wow, so me and Mina are like at Food Max, and look, I gotta carry hella shit. Look at that. Look. Say hi. So we're in the line at Food Max, and there's like hella fucking people. It's ridiculous. I'm just trying to get chips and soda, man. Some cups. This bag right here is 10 cents. Like, who, tell me, who charges for bags? They fucking do. What the fuck? For real, like, what if you have hella shit, you know? Like, what are you supposed to do with that? I don't understand. It's cool, because you can see her in the mirror. Some of you are gonna miss me when I'm gone. So we're at Easy 8. Remember from my old vlog? Look, he's wearing his boxers. Yay! Feels so good. She's rubbing my head.
So you know it's real.
That felt good.
Right, like how?
I thought I was doing a taekwondo workout or something. Oh no, alright.
He's just blooping. They're reminiscing on my Katoy. I do.
You know how much I do, like. Alright, I'm done.
Hey, do a dance. Do the. This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
Wait, I'll sing it. Ready? This is how we do it.
Nah, someone else gotta do it. Anyways, keeping
Monday,
up with the count.
Tuesday,
you know,
Wednesday. Thank you, appreciate it so much. You're the best. Love you.
Hey, hold on, Kelsey. Now, here we got a fresh little creature. You don't want to disturb this guy, you know. But otherwise, for five little pennies, you can give this guy a bone. So anyways, I'm gonna feed this guy a remote control. And you know, they don't. But anyways, we're not supposed to eat remote controls. Anyway, you know, he's not eating the remote control. He heard us all.